In this video I decide I need to push on with some characters and try to develop something, so I paint Santa Claus. Here I am using the Doodle grid. It's very boring to watch someone sketching out a character using a Doodle grid. Also a little disclaimer here that this isn't my sketch. I kind of robbed this character cartoon off the internet. It was alright, didn't come out that great, did it? But yeah, it's all practice and that's what it's all about. Definitely screwed up with the outline on the little tash. I should have only done the outline on one side of the grey, because yeah, the kind of other black line on the grey doesn't make any sense in terms of the shadow. Excuse me, I'm getting over flu at the moment. I've been on my arse for the last 3 days, so yeah, just trying to get this video out. I will get another video or two out before the end of the year. I've got lots in the pipeline, but I've just been a lazy bastard and haven't really got on with it. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Not the best video, but yeah, I've got a lot of room for improvement on characters, that's for sure. Want to get out over Christmas because there's 1 day of work left until Christmas starts, and well, starts for me anyway. So yeah, I want to get out over Christmas, do some dubs, hang out with some friends. Yeah, chill out after a hectic year of work, personal shit going on, and yeah, all the usual. I'll stop rambling now, I'm very good at that. Please subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and yeah, I don't know, tell me something interesting about your year so far, and what you look forward to in 2025. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.